So next problem, if alpha greater than 1, then integral dx by x square plus 2 alpha x plus 1. Now this can be written as integral dx by x plus alpha whole square plus 1 minus alpha square. Now see this, here alpha is greater than 1. If you keep writing like this, you have to write integral dx by x plus alpha whole square plus root over 1 minus alpha square whole square. Now if you write like this, here alpha is greater than 1, and since alpha is greater than 1, this value will be negative. In that case, square root of negative is not defined. So you should not write like that. Now let us see what we can do. Now here you can write like this, alpha square minus 1, minus of alpha square minus 1. Now since alpha is greater than 1, you will get only a positive number. Now this can be written as integral dx by x plus alpha whole square minus root over alpha square minus 1 whole square. Now it is of the form integral x square minus a square dx. Integral x square minus a square dx is 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a. So result will be 1 by 2 root alpha square minus 1 log mod x plus alpha minus root alpha square minus 1 by x plus alpha plus root alpha square minus 1 plus that is the result. So that's why they have given alpha greater than 1. Next, integral root over 1 plus cosecant x dx. Now here cosecant x can be written as 1 by sin x. So integral root over 1 plus sin x by sin x dx. So this can be written as root of 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x by root of sin x into 1 minus sin x dx. Now you are having 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x, that will be 1 minus sin square x, that is cos square x, root cos square x is sin x. So it will be sin x by now this is integral root of 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x. 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x is 1 minus sin square x, that is cos square x. So root cos square x will be cos x by root of sin x minus sin square x dx. Now let sin x is equal to t, therefore cos x dx is dt. So integral dt by root of t minus t square. So next so this can be written as integral dt by root over minus of t square minus t. So integral dt by root over minus of t minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4. So integral dt by root over 1 by 2 whole square minus t minus 1 by 2 whole square. It is of the form 1 by root of a square minus x square. Result will be sin inverse of x by a. So sin inverse of t minus 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus c. So sin inverse of 2t minus 1 plus c. So here you have to replace t as t as sin x. So sin inverse of 2 sin x minus 1 plus c. That is the result. Next problem, integral dx by secant x plus tan x plus cosecant x plus cot x. Now this can be written as integral dx by secant x is 1 by cos x plus sin x by cos x plus 1 by sin x plus cos x by sin x. Now the LCM in denominator is cos x into sin x, so it will goes to numerator. Cos x into sin x dx by, here it is cos x plus cos square x plus sin square x plus sin x. This is cos x. Now cos square x plus sin square x is 1. So it can be written as 1 by 2 integral sin 2x by 1 plus cos x plus sin x dx. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. So 1 by 2 integral sin 2x. Sin 2x can be written as cos x plus sin x whole square minus 1. Cos x plus sin x whole square is cos square x plus sin square x plus 2 cos x sin x. Cos square x plus sin square x is 1. 2 cos x sin x is sin 2x. And there is minus 1. So you will get only sin 2x by cos x plus sin x plus 1. Now 1 by 2 integral. Now this is a square minus b square. You can write it as a plus b into a minus b. So you can write cos x plus sin x plus 1 into cos x plus sin x minus 1. So cos x plus sin x plus 1 will be cancelled. You will get cos x plus sin x minus 1 dx. So 1 by 2 into integral cos x is sin x, integral sin x is minus cos x and minus x plus c. That is the result. Next, very important model, integral x square by x cos x minus sin x whole square. Now in this problem you need to observe the derivative of denominator. Now here if you take x cos x minus sin x as t, its derivative will be x into minus sin x plus cos x minus cos x dx is equal to dt. So cos x will be cancelled. So there will be minus x sin x. So now you can write this numerator as minus of minus x sin x into x by sin x. So we multiply with sin x and divide with sin x by x cos x minus sin x whole square dx. Now you have two functions, minus x sin x by x cos x minus sin x whole square into x by sin x dx. Now you need to apply integration by parts. Integral f of x into g of x or integral uv dx. Integral uv dx is u integral v dx minus integral derivative of u into integral v dx of dx. So you need to apply that formula. Now let us apply integration by parts formula. Here this is of the form f dash x by f of x whole square. So you can apply integral to the function and it is differentiable. So this is the first function and this is the second function. So let us apply integration by parts. So u into, that is x by sin x into, and its integral minus x sin x by x cos x minus sin x whole square dx minus integral derivative of, that is d by dx of x by sin x into integral minus x sin x by x cos x minus sin x whole square dx and with respect to x. Now let us apply this for the function. Now you can see if this is t, entire term will be dt. So it will be of the form 1 by t square. Integral 1 by t square is minus 1 by t. So minus integral x by sin x into minus 1 by x cos x minus sin x minus integral. Now this is derivative of u by v. Derivative of u by v is u dash v minus uv dash by v square. So u dash v minus uv dash. Derivative of x is 1. So into sin x minus x cos x by v square is sin square x into, again integral of this function is minus 1 by x cos x minus sin x dx. Now minus of minus x by sin x into x cos x minus sin x. Now if you multiply with minus, it will be x cos x minus sin x. So cancel. You will get minus integral cosecant square x dx. Integral cosecant square x is minus cot x. So x by sin x into x cos x minus sin x plus integral cosecant square x is minus cot x. So you will get minus cot x plus c. This is the result. Very important problem. Another important problem, integral dx by x tan x plus 1 whole square dx is given as k into tan x by x tan x plus 1 plus you have to find the value of k. So this can be written as integral dx by x into sin x by cos x. So it will be cos square x dx by x sin x plus cos x. So if you consider derivative of x sin x plus cos x, derivative of x sin x plus cos x is x cos x plus sin x minus sin x. So sin x minus sin x will be cancelled. You will be having x cos x. So in numerator x cos x into cos x by x sin x plus cos x whole square. Now this is the derivative of this function. So it is the second function and it is the first function. Let us apply integration by parts. So cos x by x into integral x cos x by x sin x plus cos x whole square dx minus integral derivative of cos x by x into integral x cos x by x sin x plus cos x whole square dx with respect to x. Now if this is t, the total term x cos x dx will be dt. So it will be of the form 1 by t square. So integral 1 by t square is minus 1 by t. So cos x by x into minus 1 by x cos x, x sin x plus cos x minus integral. Now apply u by v formula. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x into x minus derivative of x is 1, so cos x by x square into minus 1 by x sin x plus cos x dx. So cos x by x into minus cos x by x into x sin x plus cos x. If you multiply with minus, the total term will be cancelled. You will get minus integral 1 by x square dx. Integral 1 by x square dx is minus 1 by x. So again you will get plus 1 by x plus c. So now LCM is x into x sin x plus cos x. Numerator will be minus x cos x plus x sin x so it will be minus cos x plus x sin x plus cos x plus c. So cos x minus cos x is cancelled. You will get x sin x by x into x sin x plus cos x. X and x is cancelled. Now if you divide with sin x, it will be 1 by x plus or if you divide with cos x, it will be tan x by x tan x plus 1 plus c. So you have to find the value of k. So k will be 1. K is equal to 1. Another important model, very important model as far as JEE exam concerned. Integral x minus 1 by x plus 1 into root over x cube plus x square plus x dx. Now see this x minus 1 by, now I am multiplying with x to x plus, I am multiplying with x plus 1, you will get x square minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square, and take x square as common, it will be x into root of x plus 1 by x dx. So x square minus 1 by, this is x square plus 2x plus 1 into x into root of x plus 1 by x dx. Now take x as common in this term. It will be x square minus 1 by x plus 2 plus 1 by x into x square root of x plus 1 by x plus 1 dx. So now divide with x square, you will get 1 minus 1 by x square by x plus 1 by x plus 2 into root of x plus 1 by x plus 1 dx. Now if you take x plus 1 by x plus 1 as t square, x plus 1 by x plus 1 as t square, its derivative will be 1 minus 1 by x square dx is equal to 2t dt. So this can be written as 2t dt by, now x plus 1 by x plus 1 is t square. So x plus 1 by x plus 2 will be t square plus 1 into root of t square. So t will be cancelled. So the result is 2 tan inverse t plus c, 2 tan inverse where t is x plus 1 by x, root of x plus 1 by x plus 1 plus c. So 2 tan inverse root of x square plus x plus 1 by x plus c. That is the result. Very, very important model. Another important model, integral cosecant square x minus 2005 by cos power 2005 x dx. Now this can be written as integral cosecant square x into 1 by cos power 2005 x dx minus integral 2005 by cos power 2005 x dx. Now let us apply integration by parts to the first integral only and leave this integral for some time. Now this one is integrable, so this is the second function. You know the integral cosecant square x, that is minus cot x. So this one is differentiable. So 1 by cos power 2005 x into integral cosecant square x is minus cot x minus integral derivative of this function. Derivative of x 1 by x power n is minus n by x power n plus 1. So it will be minus 2005 by cos power 2006 x into, again derivative of cos x is minus sin x into integral cosecant square x is minus cot x dx. So minus cot x by cos power 2005 x, and we have this integral as it is 2005 by cos power 2005 x dx. Minus integral minus 2005 by cos power 2006 x into, now sin x into cot x is cos x by sin x will be cancelled. You will get cos x dx minus integral 2005 by cos power 2005 x dx. Now this is minus into minus plus. 1 cos x will be cancelled. You will be having cos power 2005 x. So these two terms are cancelled. So you will get minus cot x by cos power 2005 x plus c. Very, very important model. In some of the problem you have to integrate one function and leave the second function as it is, as in this problem. We have integrated one function and leave this second function as it is. And this is your homework. Integral secant square x minus 7 by sin power 7x dx. Another very, very important model. You can expect these type of problems in JEE exams. See this? You are given integral x power 5 into x power 10 plus x power 5 plus 1 into 2x power 10 plus 3x power 5 plus 6 whole power 1 by 5. If you observe, this entire integral will be of the form f power n of x into f dash of x. You can observe the options also. They will be of the form f power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So now this integral can be written as x power 4 into x power 10 plus x power 5 plus 1 into, now we have 1x, multiply 1x into this bracket. It will be 2x power 15 plus 3x power 10 plus 6x power 5 whole power 1 by 5 dx. Since in this bracket it is having whole power 1 by 5, it will be x power 5 in the bracket. Now integral x power 14 plus x power 9 plus x power 4 into 2x power 15 plus 3x power 10 plus 6x power 5 whole power 1 by 5 dx. Now if 2x power 15 plus 3x power 10 plus 6x power 5 is equal to t. Then differentiate that one, you will get 30x power 14 plus 30x power 9 plus 30x dx is equal to dt. So x power 14 plus x power 9 plus x dx can be written as 1 by 30 integral t power 1 by 5 dt. So 1 by 30 into t power 1 by 5 plus 1, it will be 6 by 5 by 6 by 5. So 6 by 5 by 6 by 5. So 1 by 36 into, what is t here? 2x power 15 plus 3x power 10 plus 6x power 5 whole power 6 by 5 plus 3. That is the result. This one is very important model. They are giving these type of questions in JEE exams.